So that's it. Kitt! I found it!
Checkout time's at 12. Come on, we need these rooms for a convention. Okay. We're looking at a mild concussion, bruised ribs, nothing broken. You're lucky you're in such good shape. Are you a football player or were you born this way?
Case. I'm working on a case. Katie Caulfield.
Well, right now you're at the Hoff Medical Center, and all you should be working on is getting better. Now, what's your name?
Michael. Michael Long.
L-O-N-G?
Yeah. I'm a police officer. I got a report in. Oh!
At the moment, Officer Long, the only ticket you're going to be writing is the one on the nightstand for your meals. And I suggest you stay away from the chicken surprise. It'll only keep you here longer. The pretty girl won't like that.
Pretty girl? What pretty girl?
The brunette who's been asking for you ever since you checked in last night.
I don't know anybody. Brunette.
Well, let's not worry about that now. And I wouldn't worry about Getty Caulfield either. He's been dead for almost a year.
It's dead?
I read the papers.
Dr. Adler wanted to see you.
God, what happened to my face?
One man can make a difference, Michael. Michael Knight, a lone crusader in a dangerous world. The world of the Knight Rider.